Begin by downloading the Mashreq Neo mobile banking app. To open your Mashreq Neo zero balance account, all you need is to scan your Emirates ID and boom, your account is ready. So once you have installed the Mashreq app, open it and tap on Become a Customer. Go ahead, tap on the Apply for an Account button. Before we even open our Mashreq Neo bank account, here are some of the key benefits you will get with your Mashreq Neo digital banking experience. You will get a free debit card delivered to your doorstep, quick cash transfers to over 40 countries. And the most exciting part is that you are eligible to a cashback joining bonus. You will get up to 5,000 guys. So let us proceed with our Mashreq Neo account opening process. Simply tap on the Get Started button, enter your mobile number, and again enter your email in the box below. Tap on the Next button and then verify using the OTP that will be sent to your mobile number. Once you are verified, start scanning your Emirates ID. From here, it's very easy, guys. Just scanning your Emirates ID, taking a selfie, entering your personal details, and finally selecting your account type. So scan both the front and the back side of your Emirates ID, or you can upload it from your gallery. Tap on the Next button and all your Emirates ID details will be revealed. Your name, your nationality, and your ID expiry date. Make sure they are all correct and move on to the next step. Here, what do you see on the screen? It's entering your full names as they appear in your passport. Enter them correctly, tap on the Next button, and then start taking your selfie. Simply select this checkbox to give your consent, open your camera, and you're good to go. This is very important, guys, because many of you reached out to me in the comments that you cannot select the less than 5,000 sire range. Once you have taken your selfie and it looks great, now it's time for you to select your sire range. That is so true. If you select the less than 5,000 sire range, your account application will be rejected. But still, you can open this account if your sire is between 2,000 to 5,000. All you have to do is simply select the 5,000 to 10,000 sire range. You will be able to proceed by tapping on the Next button and then selecting your account type. Which of these 4 accounts is completely a zero balance account? I know you have this question. We have the Al Islami current account and the Neo current account. On the other hand, we also have the Al Islami savings account and the Neo savings account. Simply select your preferred account among these, tap on the Open Account button, and then tap on the Confirm button. Truth of the matter, all these 4 accounts are not really zero balance accounts, not until you transfer your salary onto these accounts. I honestly understand the frustration that most of us have when it comes to zero balance accounts like this, because it's marketed as a zero balance account, yet in reality you have to transfer your salary to this account in order for it to be completely zero balance. So once you have opened and confirmed your account, answer whether you are a US citizen by tapping on no. Also answer your tax residence question. Again, select no and tap on the Next button. Now enter your address details. Agree to the terms and conditions. Again, tap on the Next button to proceed. Once you tap on the Next button, your Mashreq Neo account will be open. But before you start using this account, you have to create a unique username and a unique password. Follow the instructions on the screen, create your username, create your password, and then log in into your account. Congratulations, guys. Now that your account is ready for use, the video up next will show you how to activate your debit card. Remember, it's a free debit card, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.